Hello everybody, so in today's Roblox 50 video, as we can see here, I've just unlocked the level 50 kit, and still, as we can see here, I got the level 50 kit, and so we're gonna use that in squad. I'm so short, but I'm so short, bro. What is this? Buddy, you wanna fight, buddy? Buddy, you wanna fight me? What the hell? Oh my god, bro. Imagine, bro. Bro, my mouth is acting wonky, bro. What the fuck? My bed, I break your bed, bro. Not even fair, bro. Bro, hop off, bro. Actually, bro, hop off. Bro, hop off, bro. I'm let me play the game. Bro, show me right and see, bro. Show me right, bro. Hop off, bro. Go to someone else. Bro, this is why I built this game, bro. Bro, this is not fair. Bro, I can never play the game, bro. I don't want people quit this game, bro, because the glitch is insane. Give me your RNG. Grant RNG, what the heck? What? Guys, bro, that was so wrong, bro. Bro, last time, bro, was so annoying, bro. Getting me righted, everything, bro. Crazy. Also, another thing, my mouth is arguing. Is that a femboy? Is that a femboy? Is that a cat boy? Is that a cat boy and a femboy? Oh hell no, bro! That's what I wanted to get my morning coffee break. What the f? Buddy. I'm embarrassing this on my record, bro. It's glazing, bro. Oh, ball. No way am I actually about to die to that, bro. Oh my god, I'm about to stay, bro. Bro, you think I can't, bro? I can't. Stupid kid, bro. Don't forget in chat. Me righted. Alright, perfect, guys. Hop off, bro! Right, bro. Alright, buddy. Hop off, bro. Yo, bro. This kid kind of reminds me like, Dr. Eggman, bro. I'm not sure why, but like, it's just a big problem with this kid. The targeting, bro. The targeting, bro. Perfect. Like I said, bro, this kid's good. It's just like the targeting. It's like a big deal. If I don't get targeted, bro, then yeah, maybe I would be getting this kid, like. Like I said, like I said, this kid will be good unless we just don't get targeted, bro. But let me on, bro. Okay, buddy. Stop getting that close to me, bro. Stop getting that close to me. Oh, hop off, bro. Hop off. Even they still chase you, bro. They still chase you. It would be funny if I could just leave, bro.
months without me in your arms. Looking back, I wonder why I didn't show you how deep is my love. Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, where do you wanna see me naked? Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, what do you like? La 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 la. Let's talk about
don't get destroyed. My mouth, I'm not acting weird, so I changed it, bro. Let's see what we're doing.
let's talk about. I'm gonna be
I know you're there.
better than you thought. I promise I won't jealous. You don't deserve it all. I'm gonna be better, 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 better. Let's talk about. Then get up, get dressed. Before what's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste you and feel
I didn't know.
raising an earthquake.
Do you know where he is though? Do you know where he is?
When a rush hits, we're going in, we're going in. You give me body magic,
Bro, this kid, bro. I swear to God, if he run away again, I'm actually gonna lose it, bro. Finally, bro. Bro, this man did not keep running there, bro. Like, people leave, bro. It's just trash.